Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we have a Harley in here that the customer got tired of getting water inside his lids. These are some aftermarket lids. I'm not sure which company they are, but he watched my video, and it's the one that I spoke about, how these aftermarket lids, a lot of them are not really good quality, so it allows water to leak past. So he brought me his stock lids, and we did the Rockford lid kit. We cut it in, so now we have a nice seal all the way around, and there will be no water getting in. You see how nicely the Rockford kit seals around the factory lid, and then you just have the factory Harley quality. Look at that, no gap. Water will not be getting in these lids. He's not using the Rockford 6x9s, he's keeping his Hertz 6x9s, but we use the Rockford lid kit because it's just a high quality kit, and he's gonna have no issues. You can see the difference in the way the lids go together. So on this lid kit, it does nut and bolt down, but there's no gasket. So it's just plastic on plastic, so the water's just gonna run down there. On the Rockford kit, there is a gasket, there's a rubber gasket under there, and then it's sandwiched with this plate, sandwiches the top plate, and then there's an additional foam gasket along the bottom. So Rockford builds a high quality kit. You can see the foam gasket there. So you have a gasket here, and you have a gasket here, and it's sandwiched together tightly, so there's no chance of water getting, as long as you use a 6x9 that's weatherproof, so no water will get in past 6x9. And on the Rockford kit, you have 1, 2, 3 gaskets. So you have a gasket seal on the 6x9, you have a seal from the grill to the lid, and then you have a seal from the bottom basket to the bottom part of the lid. It's just a really high quality kit. Fit and finish is excellent. This kit looks pretty good, but there's just no seal. And the customer's just getting tired of getting water in the bags, and he's got custom bags too. So it's just wetting the inside of the material.